Harvard Elementary as our final campus close-up of the school year. Yesterday, we explored the school's Primary Years Program, or PYP, which offers students meaningful lessons and experiences that equip them for success both in and out of the classroom. Fifth graders this year did an exhibition research project. Hadley Burdette is one of those students, and she explained for us what her project was about and why she chose it.
My project is how global warming is increasing frequency and destructiveness in natural disasters.
Oh, okay.
And I chose this because natural disasters are like in California, like wildfires are becoming a lot more severe. And I wanted to know like what was causing it, and I learned that global warming was a big part of it. We gathered information about like what human actions are mainly causing global warming. And for our action plan, we went and taught a class in Harvard about how global warming is affecting like more destructive natural disasters, and this helped spread awareness about it, and hopefully that they'll be interested because they'll tell other people about it.
Well, Harvard Elementary, Hogg Middle School, and Heights High School are all in the same feeder pattern and are part of the Heights Continuum program. This allows students to continue these types of courses through their educational career in HISD. It's, as the principal told us, a true collaborative effort.
It helped me learn a lot about how communities work and how we all work together to like make a difference in our planet. For the Heights Continuum, we kind of got like a project, and we went to go share it with other people, and it was really fun.